flipping the camera on here real quick because while it's still trading one tick against us and flashing potentially two ticks against us, I think this is where we're going to see the break in this trade. So thought I'd flip the camera on real quick and see if I'm correct, and we can see it trade down a little bit here. You see I'm using a pretty tight stop. What is that? Six ticks or five ticks there? Five ticks. So we got a 5 tick stop loss. So trading in here pretty tight. I mean, if it starts breaking above this, 91 and a quarter, and it traded up to 91.50 at one point a little while ago, 15, I don't know, 20 minutes ago, right after the market, kind of right after it opened. If it trades up above there, we're going to want out of this trade. But this is the area where I think it's going to move down for us. So I'll try to keep it tuned here just for a second. It is 5:41 p.m. So if I've got to turn the camera off, if it takes a while, I'll be able to come back in and you'll know what the time lapse was and the difference between now and when I come back. So we're looking at 5:41 p.m. trading 2 ticks against us, but again feeling as though this could be our you see a tick down there, that this could be our spot where we finally see a break. And I'm, for now, still left the profit targets at 89.75 and 89.50. I'd like to push for that one extra tick on the second profit target if I can. And again, we'll see what the velocity is when it starts trading down here, and see if it's moving at such a pace that causes me to think that we may see even a little bit more. But don't know the answer to that just yet. This is kind of one of those areas where it hangs around up here like this a little bit, and then if it does break, you get I don't want to say the greed factor coming in, but you get traders back there sitting saying, okay, here's the break, let's jump in, and PS, it's only got about 4 ticks in it, and maybe they wound up jumping in as sellers, got on the bandwagon too late, and it goes back up on them. So in any case, that's what we're going to play for. We'll be happy to take our 4 ticks out of here, and maybe a 5th tick even on that second profit target if we can. And so trying to babble on a little bit here so you could potentially see this trade come down. Okay. Anyway, it is now 5:43. So, boy, I talked for 2 minutes. That was pretty good. But anyway, it's 5:43. I'm going to flip off, and I'll come back and I'll give you a time update as well as a updated clip here, so you can see how long it took for it to break, if in fact it does here. So, 5:43 p.m.